Kyle. I have a new trick, so I want to show you that. I have a regular bottle here, right, and like a regular coin. I was doing this trick to my friend earlier, so it already has my initials on it. K, B, alright? Now, this trick is called coin through bottle, alright? Now watch. I'm simply just gonna take this coin, right? Take this coin, just gonna slam it through the cap, alright? Just gonna slam it through the cap. One palm up. Yeah. Okay. B. So look, K, B. My name is Kyle. Thanks for watching.